Okay, what's good? What's good? What's really going on? I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video today. I want to thank you guys for clicking on this video today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. All right? All right. Okay, so we're going to be reacting to Billie Eilish, Birds of a Feather. Now, um, I never seen this video before. I've never heard the song before, but I know who Billie Eilish is. Um, I've heard some of her songs before, and I love Billie Eilish. She's a great artist. She's magnificent. She has a wonderful voice, and yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. Hope you guys had a good day today. Hope everything's going good today. Hope y'all ate your breakfast and all that good stuff, and then you go do your lunch and stuff, and have a good day today. Hope all goes well with you all. So yeah, I'm not gonna hold you guys up anymore. We're gonna go ahead and get into the video. Definitely. I didn't expect her to be saying those lyrics. You know, kind of threw me off guard a little bit. But okay. The creativity is there. The versatility is there. The differentiation is there, if that's even a word.
Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together. I know I said I'd never.
This video scared me because it's like a ghost or something. I don't like scary stuff. I'll tell you, I like scary stuff. Sometimes, like, I react to rock bands, and they scare me a little bit.
Think I wasn't better alone. Can't change the weather. Might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not.
But even though it might scare me a little bit, she got a nice voice. Her face pretty too. She really don't dress up and be too dressy, you know, show off her body, but her eyes, they're pretty cool.
I'd be wrong, but baby, I'll love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see how you look to me. You wouldn't believe if I told you. You would hate the compliments I throw you. But you're so full of shit. Tell me it's a bit. Oh, say you don't say it. Your mind's polluted. Say you wanna quit. Don't be stupid. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. Might not be love, but baby, I don't wanna say goodbye. We should still till the light.
They pulling your arm, girl. You ain't gonna say what's they pulling me. I be scared. They pulling your arm, girl. Well, I guess that's the end of the video. I guess that's it. That was pretty nice. I liked it. Her voice is, she has a very nice voice. Very nice voice. I like that song. That was a pretty cool song. It was a pretty cool track. But she's very talented. And I was running. And I was running. Jenny? I don't know. I just felt the need to say that. I just feel like I needed to say that. Jenny? And I was running. My name is Forrest Gump. Okay. Yeah, enough of that. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this video. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. And I will see you on the next video.